Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this gorgeous, chic, stylish, and stunning bag by Marc Jacobs. This is the Marc Jacobs The Mirror Satchel bag in the most beautiful white shade. It is absolutely elegance at its next level. Marc Jacobs is an amazing designer. He does not disappoint with this bag. This is so beautiful. I feel like it's definitely an everyday bag, but could easily elevate any evening out. And it's just such a gorgeous, versatile, well-made designer bag by Marc Jacobs. So as you can see, it is super soft and supple. So this is calfskin leather. And of course, the stitching on this is immaculate, as with all Marc Jacobs items. It has the beautiful Marc Jacobs in the silver hardware. And then embossed next to it is this really beautiful sort of daisy. And it says Marc Jacobs. And it also has a mirror on the side for your convenience. It's a really great bag charm. Adds a little bit of pizzazz to the bag. It is super chic and elegant. I feel like the color on this just adds a next level of chic elegance, and it's just gorgeous, you guys. So the bag has the most fantastic metal feet on the bottom. Thank you, Marc Jacobs, for thinking of us and protecting our fantastic smooth leather bottom of our bag. These are fantastic. Can every designer in the world please add these to their bags and make our lives complete? That is next level stunning. I absolutely love everything about this bag, from the metal feet to the smooth leather to the fantastic length of the arm straps. Arm straps are 9.5 inches. That is the most comfortable, in my opinion, length for arm straps. I hate for a bag to cut up under my arm. It's so uncomfortable. If you wear a coat or a sweater, it's almost impossible to get it on your shoulder. And this is just the perfect arm drop for this bag. I love that it stands up. It just looks very elegant and sophisticated all on its own. And it's just so pretty. So this retails for $395. I believe I picked mine up at Nordstrom, and I feel like it is such good value. Marc Jacobs is an amazing designer. He has really nailed it out of the park with all of his bags. The tote bag, such a popular bag, and he does deliver continuously with all his designs, and this one is truly beautiful. So elegant, so chic. I just love it so much. I love this sort of off-white color. It's just beautiful. I love the rolled top handles. As I said, 9.5 inches drop here, so super comfortable, and you can easily spot clean this if you need to, but it is absolutely next level gorgeous. So let's go ahead and see what's in this gorgeous, beautiful bag. So I absolutely love how it closes. So each of these have little magnetic closures. So I love how everything is contained and nothing is going to be open and fall out. So really, really well thought out here. So let's go ahead and see. Let's start at the back of the bag. So for your convenience, so I just put my phone case in here just so you could see that I usually do keep my phone here, but of course I'm recording on it today. But normally I have my phone right there. Next I have my car keys, and I also have my phone charger, fits in beautifully. I have lots of room in here for a hair clip, and I don't really need a mirror because it comes with this little cute mirror, but in the, I do still have one in here. And then I also have my sunnies. And so all the essentials fit. So all the essentials fit really nicely in this back compartment here. All my items fit seamlessly in the back pocket. It also has this really great card holder here. Again, it's embossed with Marc Jacobs, and it's just a really good size pocket here. Again, love that it has a magnetic closure, so nothing is going to fall out there. Next, we have this fantastic smooth as butter zipper right there in the middle. And in here is my hand sanitizer, because you can't leave home without it. And I also have my Louis Vuitton, this is my Clemence wallet in the beautiful demier azure canvas. And so it just fits seamlessly right in here. And I love this wallet for spring and summer, so I am here for it. I'm gonna tote this, and like I said, it fits seamlessly right there. This middle section has a zipper because it's always nice, especially to keep your wallet secure with that extra level of protection. And then on this side, I have two little pouches. So first I have my little Coach pouch, and in here I kind of have my bare essential makeup. I have a little Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Flawless Filter Foundation. It's really a small, cute bottle, nice for touch-ups if I'm out and about. And of course it goes with a little sponge. I also have a face wipe if I have to completely redo my makeup, which I don't normally do, but sometimes in the summer, if it's a humid day, then I do. Next is my Tartelette mascara. Again, a mini, just because who wants to carry full size if you can help it. And I also have my Benefits brow. Have my Laneige lippy. This is so creamy and moisturizing. I also have Lash by Benefit. I have a really pretty lip oil that I am so excited for. This is my Yummy Skin. I have a Gucci Flora. This is just a sample. Smells divine, by the way. I have my Becca highlighter and a lipstick. So that's all that fits in this little pouch and fits seamlessly in this front pocket. And then I also have what I like to call my little emergency kit. And this is so convenient. I mean, I have my Tums in here. I have a Element in case I need some hydration, my electrolytes here. I also have some gum. I have some extra contacts. I feel like in the summer I lose contacts because my eyes just get more dry and irritated with allergens. I have some Zyrtec and Claritin for allergies. I have some lens wipes for my sunglasses. Have some Listerine. It's just so nice to like freshen your breath throughout the day. It's so good, you guys. And I also have a Band-Aid in case I get a blister or a paper cut, and some wet ones. And I guess I just had one more piece of gum in there. So that's everything that goes with me. So as you can see, this bag fits all the things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini review and what's in my bag video. What do you guys think of this gorgeous Marc Jacobs mirror satchel bag? I think it's stunning, chic, elegant. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe so I can see you in my next video. And until next time, bye friends.